Okay, we're back with the 86 Monte Carlo that is on eBay. These cars are getting gone, especially in this condition, like I said before. And once it's gone, it's gone. This car has zero rust. The doors look good. Most of them's rusted out. And let's fire it up. See, it's got good oil pressure, good bolts. Starting to rain just a little bit, so I want to get this back in the garage. But I want everybody to see what kind of condition this car is really in. Original motor, 305 HO. AC does work, good and cold. Starting to get some rain spots on it. It's not real loud, but it does have a good V8 rumble. Have any questions, please email me. This car could be yours. It doesn't have any kind of ticking, knocking, real smooth. Sounds real good. And let's listen to the stereo for a minute, make sure it works.
Fresh music.
And AC, you will have the motor pull down just a little. There we go. Feel that cold air. There's one reverse, no problem. Shifts real smooth. For a 305 HO, it gets on down the road pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck winning this rare 86 Monte Carlo SS.